Marge, and welcome back to the Kidz Cooking Show, where we help our brother Swell make some of his favorite meals. Since he right here is autistic, sometimes he can't really communicate to us what he wants, so this is our way of helping him. And today's episode is Thanksgiving treats. And for our Thanksgiving treats, we will start with making our Oooey Gooey Peach Clobber. And what do we need to make this Oooey Gooey Peach Clobber? Just goodness.
No, boy. Anyway, you will need 2 cans of sliced peaches, drained, 1 stick of butter,
Right there.
Mom's peach cobbler mix.
Yeah, we weren't telling you everything we put up in here. We copyright that. Stop.
Still. And you will need 2 deep dish pie.
Yep, that would be right here. The top layer, which we will do with our little funny decoration here. And the bottom layer for the pie. Okay, you also want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and you will want to bake the bottom crust for 10 minutes before you add in the filling. So make sure it's nice and hard. Get your little crisp crunch right there.
Great. For 45 minutes.
Alright guys, now let's add all the stuff in to make the filling. And let's get cooking. Well, it may be easy. I don't know. It's interesting.
It's not quite right.
Here you go.
We're going to be adding in a whole dozen juice.
She will do peaches. I will do Mom's special mix. And Terrell will do the vanilla.
I'm going to be slicing up some butter here.
No, excuse me. Big people get the big stuff right here. You're lightweight. You take this. So we're just going to wait on that though, because you got to let the butter get in there.
Butter?
Alrighty. Tiffany is cutting that up. I will add Mom's special mix. Yep. Get all in there. That's real nice. Yep. Okay. Terrell, can you mix this? Mix it. Alrighty. I guess since you're doing a heavyweight stuff, this is lightweight over here. I'm just going to add this in there. There we go. Alrighty, Tiffany. You go with the butter. You gotta get it in there. You gotta keep mixing, buddy. You gotta keep mixing until it gets nice and juicy. Oop. Got the decoration on the table.
It's not quite right.
In the meantime, I'm going to see how this little stencil here works in the top crust, because we've already pre-baked our bottom.
Okay. Here goes the butter.
Yep, get it all up in there.
Not quite right. Mix
Right.
it all up.
You might want to help when there's butter in there. It's a little bit sticky.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to experiment with this. I will try this one first, then Terrell, then Tiffany. Oh, that's very good.
Wait, keep on.
Look, I think it's
Red
good.
by it.
Alright, you can get my side mix. Alright, now it's time to add the filling into our bottom crust, since we have already destroyed our top crust with these beautiful flowers. Alright, pass them up. Yeah, before you go, try and steal. Try to taste test.
I would never. Hint, hint. Why are you doing me, Margaret?
Alright, yep, then we're just going to spread that out where it's even. I think you killed the butter, Terrell. You killed the butter. Alright, I will have you guys assist me in putting those flowers on top. Make it look presentable, guys. Be creative. Still make sure it looks neat. For the sake of the cobbler.
Oh, boy.
Well, I said make it look neat for the sake of the cobbler. It almost went sneaking in there. Yep, okay. Evenly, settle. Hold on. You got to fill in all the spaces. No,
All the nooks and crannies.
There you go. Right there. And right there. And right there. Yes. Okay. Yep, let's get a little bit, one more around the corner. And there. I say that's a masterpiece. What did you think? Oh, was you missing one? Okay. Thought I was going to make it look like. No. I think that's pretty good. Interesting. Get it close up, people. Get close up with this. Yep.
Oh yes, all that good stuff is in there.
Yep. There we go. Now we're going to put this in the oven to bake for 45 minutes. And when we come back, it will be time for today's
Sidebar.
And now it's time for today's sidebar. Today's sidebar comes from verywellhealth.com. And so they say. I just want you to get the feeling right now. Consider the situation you're stepping into. 2. Offer some autism training. 3. Know your family and make decisions accordingly. 4. Plan for a quick, graceful getaway. That sounds like what we need. I love this, by the way. 5. Know how to handle your family. All the difficult moments, too. Your family and all the difficult moments. We mentioned there's so many we got. We're going to be here all day talking about that. 6. Have support on hand. Like when they break down into their little emotional state. Just know that, tell them that you'll be there for them. What we try to do. Even though I don't like this. Okay.
Be sarcastic, Margaret.
You know sarcasm is my thing. And last but not least, have a plan for lowering your anxiety level. We actually have some trouble with that sometimes, so, we kind of got to put them first before we think of ourselves. That's kind of what that means. Thank you. And that's today's sidebar. Alrighty, we're back with our Oooey Gooey Peach Clobber. And boy almighty, does it look ooey gooey. And delicious. Right, we gotta close out. Well, thank you so much for sticking around for this episode.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow us at Instagram at
PKCS2018. See you next week for another episode of the Pumpkin Cooking Show. Bye.
Bye.
And Terrell, this is what he would say. Bye, Terrell.